Rounding decimals. This is an important skill. It's going to be used often through the test, maybe 5, 6 times. You might have to round numbers. So let's still go by the same. If the same rule still applies, if I have the number 741 and I say round this number to the nearest 10, I would say, well, the 4 is in the 10 spot. And that number is either going to stay a 4 or increase to a 5, but it all depends on the number behind it. The number behind it is 1. Now the rule is that number 5 or greater? If the number is 5 or greater, then the 4 would actually become a 5. But this is not a number that's bigger than 5. So the number 4 is going to actually stay the same. So this number is now 740. You would say 741 is closer to 740, not 750. And this is the rule about rounding. So let's apply it to decimals. If I gave you number 1 and I said, hey, round this number to the nearest 10th, well, that 0 is in the 10th position. And if I say, okay, that number is either going to remain a 0 or become a 1, but it depends on the number behind it. And the number behind it is a 3. And I'd say, well, is that number 5 or greater? And you would say, no, that number is not 5 or greater. So you would say, well, that 0 is going to remain the same. But then the other number, it drops off. The 3 and the 2, you're not going to show them. You would say this number is closer to 0.0, not 0.1. Let's try again. Look at the 0.99. If I say, hey, round this number to the nearest 10th, well, we look behind. And I say, hey, is that number 5 or greater? And you say, yes, it is. It is greater than 5. So 9 would actually increase. 9 is going to increase to 10. But you're not going to show this number like this. That's not the right number, 0.10. What you're saying is, I'm asking you, hey, is this number 0.99, is it closer to 90 cents or is it closer to $1? And you'd say, oh, well, this number is closer to $1. So what happens is that 99, the 9, we put a 10. But remember basic math? Basic math says 1, if I add 1 to 9, it becomes 10. And the 1's going to carry over. So this number is 1.